How to generate your e-signature easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you tutorial on how to generate your electronic signature for your emails and documents. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you guys will simply go to a platform known as Signwell. Go to signwell.com and you will land right here. Signwell allows you to create your own digital signature for your email and documents, where you will be able to sign your documents digitally. You don't have to go through different documents and files physically. You can just sign your signature without printing a document, and you will be able to actually get your work done. So how to create an electronic signature for free using Signwell? Let's get into it. First of all, you need to sign up for Signwell. In order to sign up, you can actually check out the pricing plan and select the plan of your choice. So we have a free plan available where we can actually create an e-signature for free. Then there is a personal plan for $8, business for $24, and then there is an enterprise, which is going to be custom pricing for custom features. I'm gonna sign up for free. Click on this button, and now we can sign up with our Google account. There you go, we have our own Signwell dashboard. After the initial sign up or sign in, this is where you will get. You can see we have documents, and then we also have different templates available for the signatures, bulk sending, contacts, and then I can create a new document here. So this is the document option, and let me show you how to add your first document and create a signature. So you will click on add your first document, and we can upload the document and use a saved template. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a document from here and select the file from my computer. So I have selected the file, and it will just take a few seconds to upload. Alright, so my file has been uploaded. I will click on continue. You can also select I am the only person signing, and it will allow you to, it will just allow one person to sign the document, and it will not allow other people to sign your document. So this is really good for our official documents and some of the different documents where we do not want other signatures and that are very, crucial to us, and it's very important so that only we sign the document. So you can just select this option, and I'm going to select this, that I am the only person signing the document. Click on continue, and it will open up the document for you, and it will allow you to create your signature. All right, so I'm gonna click on get started. So this is my document that I had, and this is the signature option. Then we have initials, text, check, and date. So I'm gonna go with a simple signature that will allow me to draw and write myself. So I'm gonna sign at the end of the document right here. So all I need to do is I will just drag my mouse and actually draw a signature. So I have entered my name here, and they're asking me for different signatures. This is the type of signature they're giving me, for example, like italic, and this is the type. Or if I want to draw one myself, I have my own signature, then I can actually draw with my mouse. So let me actually clear this and draw it again. For example, if this is my, I'm sorry, I'm not a pro in drawing. So if this is my signature, then I can actually draw this signature, and this is what they will use. For example, you have something else. We have like a something like this, so you can just draw here very easily whatever signature you are using. Whatever name you have, you can just go ahead and write it here to draw a signature. And then we have upload. So if you already have created a signature, or if you want to upload an image, you can upload from here, or you can use a type. What I'm going to do is my signature actually match with this one right here. So I'm just going to use this one and click on save. This is where they will be signed, and this is what it looks like. Now this is my signature, and it's just going to be to my email address. So I have signed this document. Another way is initials. So you can click on the initial option, and once you select it, it will allow you to just add the initials. For example, now we will just draw the initial, or just go with an initial sign instead of a full name. Then we have a text. So in text, again, you will just select where you want to add it. And in text, we can actually go ahead and write a text of our own. For example, I can just write my name in a text. We actually get a lot of different options on Signwell. That is why I wanted to show you guys this platform. It's pretty good. So I can add the text, but I'm not going to go with the text I already have added. I'm just showing you guys. Then we have a check. So you can just go with the check option, select right here, and it's going to be a check box right here, and it's just going to be your sign that I have approved it. If you are a CEO, if you are a manager, then what you can do is you can just add this check sign. And then we have date. Now date is really important, and if you want to add a date under your sign, or if you want to add a date, we do add a date most of the time, so you can just select the date from here. For example, I can add today's date and it will be added right here. So now it is signed by me, and we also have a date added. If you want to delete the element that you have already added, you can just click on delete. So this is what I wanted. I have my signature and then I have a date. Now once it's done, what I can do is I can actually share this document with other people. I can copy the link, share the link, or PDF download. So with Signwell, if you have a document, a Word document, you can download it as a PDF within this platform. You don't have to go to any other platform to convert it to a PDF. Then we have a send option, and we can actually send this document to an email address from our Signwell. So it also works as an email for us, as an inbox where we can send this document in email address. So I'm going to send it to one of the email addresses. All right, so this is one of my team members, and I want to send her the email. I can also write a message. Once it's added, I'm going to click on send, and now it's sending, and my document has been sent to that person. Now I can send another document or go back to my main dashboard where I will be able to see all of the documents that I have. So this is my first document that we created. It will be shown in the template section as well. To create a new document, again, to sign it, we can just click on new document and it will again take us to the steps that we did. Then we have the template option here. So go to the templates and it will allow you, and you can create your templates. Now, templates are documents that you set up to quickly reuse and send to different people. So if I want to sign some document, and if I have same kind of document, for example, I work in a sales department, or I work in a company where I have to sign the invoices every day, where I have to sign a document every day, then what I can do is I can just create a template here, and then I don't have to upload it every time. I can just use this template to just customize few things and send it and sign it digitally. Then we have bulk sending. So bulk sending option is available in Signwell, and you will be able to not just send one email or one document at a time, but you can send bulk documents to bulk email, which will allow you to save time and you will get more productive. So this is where you will add a large list of recipients. You can add up to hundreds, thousands of emails and send your documents that you signed digitally and created an e-signature for. Then we have contacts. This is where I will be creating my contacts, and this is where I can create and add different email addresses where I will be sending these documents to. So you just have to enter the email address, name, company name, phone number, their addresses right here, website, click on save, and a new contact will be saved within Signwell. So Signwell is actually all-in-one platform that allows you to create e-signature, create templates, and send email and documents that you're signing digitally. This way you will be able to eliminate the hassle of dealing with a lot of documents and files in your daily life, and you can get more digitally updated with the e-signatures, and you will be able to sign documents in no time and create your own professional tone for your business. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.